Welcome back to Inspiring Builds. I'm Dan, and today I'll cover two options to solve a dead battery. Specifically one that is completely dead, with 0 volts like this one from leaving the lights on overnight. Regardless if you have a vehicle, golf cart, boat, or something else, then this video is for you, as long as it's a 12 volt battery. This power pack here is a beast that will jump even a box truck immediately, but the issue is most of the battery chargers nowadays are smart battery chargers. They have safety features built in, and before they can pump out current, it needs to detect a 12 volt battery. A fault is thrown when a battery is not detected once the battery gets below a certain voltage threshold. Even though I always have this in my vehicle, it can help people in seconds without harming my battery, it's not helpful in this situation as this battery is completely dead. Hook up the red positive to the dead battery, then the red positive on the good battery. Next, hook up the negative on the good battery, then the negative on the dead battery. It doesn't take long as we're not fully charging the battery, but putting a surface charge on the battery so it can detect a charger. After a few minutes, the battery was reading over 10 volts and a smart charger could be used. This is a #1 seller on Amazon with over 60,000 sales a month and almost 5 stars with over 100,000 reviews. After using it several times, I 100% can see why. I purchased this out of pocket and the video is not sponsored. After hooking it up to the battery, simply hit the power button, confirm the lights are flashing, and start the car. If the battery has super low or no voltage, then hold down the red button until the lights start flashing and it will override the safety feature pushing current to the battery and the car can be started. This is my new go-to that is small enough to haul around, yet super powerful, and I've given several away as gifts over the past year. I will provide a link for you below in the description. To fully charge a battery, I recommend a microprocessor controlled charger that I will also link below as they're safer, quicker, and have a more effective charge. Most have protection built in to avoid overcharging while maintaining the charge. The percentage and voltage feature built in helps monitor the charge. The safest and most effective is with the lowest 2 amp setting. After it showed 100%, I tested it at 12.6 volts with the engine off and it maintained around 14.3 volts with the engine running, both in the good range. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I release new videos.